Apin juga kita channel with the last number ID 133.
And I'm Arifin Rushabani with number ID 141. And today guys, we are gonna do some podcasts
About how to handle this interview. So, let's get started. Bye! Hi everyone, welcome back to our podcast. I'm Epin.
and I'm Apin. We are glad to can be here with you guys.
And today we're going to talk about something that many people struggle with interview.
Yeah, interview. We use interview when we find some a job, or when we find some scholarship, or when we wanna join to organization. Interview can be so challenging to ourselves.
So, we'll be sharing some tips and tricks how to handle interview so you can more feel confidence and prepare for your next interview.
Okay, let's get started.
But before we get tips and tricks, there's something interesting to talk about. A lot of people think failing an interview means they're not good enough, but I think it's wrong because it's not always true.
Yeah, actually, yeah. So many people actually have a good experience, have a good achievement, and have a good skills. But when they are do some interview, they cannot explain their experience or their skill confidently and clearly. So they can give some impression to the interviewer.
So I think they need preparation before they get interview because some people spend a lot of time to working on their CV or application, but they forget to prepare themselves to get interview.
And honestly, that's understandable because not everyone have a lot experience of the interview. So that's why we need to know the basics, tips and tricks when we do some interview.
So let's start from the first tips. I think the first tips is practice.
Yeah, when we practice in interview, like when we practice to answering the question that usually asked from the interview, like commonly question like tell me about yourself or our strength and weakness, our skills and why we want to join to their company. That was make we have confidence and can answer clearly to the interviewer. So that's can make a big interest our first impression to the interviewer.
So I think it's a basic question, right, for interview. So I think before interview we practice ourselves. Can help us to organize our answer, right?
Yeah.
But when we practicing, are there any common interview question that we should pay extra attention to?
Yeah, there are so many questions that's important to know. Like interviewer usually ask about can you tell about ourselves. So when we answer the question, we have to confidence and clearly. And when we do some answer, we have to make a unique interest for the interviewer. So that can be different from ourselves with another candidate.
Yes, that's a great point. But from your perspective, how important is practice when we preparing interview?
I think practice is so very important because when we do some practice for the interview, we can do interview with confidence and clearly. So when we do some interview, we can make a impression, good impression to the interviewer.
Yes, I completely agree with you. And next, we talk about the second tips. What do you mean? What do you think about the second tips?
I think the more important when we do some interview is how we make a good impression for to the interviewer, like body language or our language. Like when we do some interview, we have to make a
Good posture, right?
good posture. Yeah.
I think body language is more important because the body language can give the first impression. Even before we start answer the question for interviewers can notice our posture, eye contact, and confidence. Good body language can make us look like professional and prepare for this interview. I think like that.
Yeah, but that's a good point. But can you tell to me about simple thing that was important, uh, and we have to pay attention when we do some interview.
Simple things, right? Simple things are maintaining eye contact, sitting with good posture, smiling naturally, and avoiding too many nervous movement. The small action can help us to appear more confidence and language and engines in the conversation.
Yeah, but how about the people that are nervous when do some interview?
I think nervous it's a normal because everyone can feel nervous when they get interview. But the key is stay calm, take a deep breath, and focus on the conversation instead of worrying too much. The more practicing can give us more natural our body language will become.
Yeah, I'm completely agree. Sometimes small thing like eye contact, our posture, that can make big difference from our impression to the interviewer.
Exactly. Now we move for the last tips. It's a third tips.
All right, let's move on our final tips. Before an interview, how important is when we know, research to the company or the organization when we wanna apply.
Huh. I think it's very important. By doing some research, we can understand their goals, values, and activities. It can help us to answer question more confidently because we already know about about the company, about the organization, or something like that.
Yeah, that makes sense. So, what could have happened if someone are in the interview without research?
Well, it makes seems like they're not really interest in the opportunity. Interviewers can usually tell whether a candidate has taken the time to learn about the organization or not. Even the little research can make a big difference.
Yeah, that's true. And before we end the topic, that's one question so many people struggle with. Like at the end of interview, there are interviewer ask like, do you have a question that you wanna ask?
Yeah, personally, I think this is a great opportunity. Instead of just saying no, we can ask thoughtful like question about the role, the organization, or the opportunities they offer. It shows they were interested, curious, and serious about joining them.
Yeah, I completely agree with you, Alvin. Like a good impression, a good preparation, and good question can leave a strong final impression to the interviewer.
Exactly, and sometimes the way we end the interview can be just as important as the way we start.
So today we've talked about several tips that so important in the interview, like uh, practicing, like body language, uh,
Research
and
about the company.
yeah, and how we ask in the end of interview, how can we make impress to the interviewer.
That's right. Remember, an interview is just not about showing our achievement, but also about showing your confidence, communication skills, and in how to interest this company or organization.
The most important thing that we have is don't afraid to do some mistakes, because every mistake we do, that is good experience to improve our skills in the next interview.
So, we hope these three tips, can help you to handle your next interview And thank you so much. I'm Epin.
And I'm Apin.
Goodbye for
Goodbye.
the next episode. Bye.
Goodbye.